Ready, sous chef? Ugh, you're right, what am I thinking? Boom, obligatory towel. Now we're cooking. When it comes to impressing my guests, there's one thing that makes all the difference, and it's not just Neon's napkin folding abilities. It's the ingredients. Using fresh, quality ingredients can make or break your dish, no matter how well you season it. And with HelloFresh, you don't have to sweat the deets, because they always deliver, like literally, to your doorstep. I love this dish. It's got more layers than a backhanded compliment from my dad. It's vibrant, it's creamy, it's crunchy, it's calorie smart, and it's got hummus. You know what else? It's packed with skillet shortcuts that make cooking way easier. See how I'm soaking these shallots? This helps mellow them out and play nice with all the other ingredients. And when life gives you lemons, you roll them. This makes them juicier. And you use a microplane to make zesting way easier. Just toss them all together. Ah, look at that beauty. Let's flip some birds. Za'atar. I love this stuff. It's woodsy, it's fragrant, and you won't find these in any old grocery store. And here's my absolute favorite part. You ready for the hummus swoosh? Don't forget to add some of that TLC. That's what I call big dill energy. Want to learn how I just did that? HelloFresh. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's the ultimate skillet shortcut. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need some alone time with this dish. Are they really gonna let us say big dill energy?